Hey, what's up guys, it's Anchor here, and as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be opening a package of something. I was very excited to get this. I pre-ordered this, and it's finally here. If you could not tell by watching my videos before, I am a big fan of the Police. You can see a small printed image over there. I'm also wearing the shirt here, and yeah, I have other items too that I'll show later. But yeah, let's get into unpacking this thing. It's in this cardboard box here. You can probably tell what it is by the shape of this box here. So let's see. Oh, nice. Awesome. This is so cool. Look at that. Let's see if I can. Wow. The Police Around the World, restored and expanded. Limited edition DVD and LP, first time available on DVD. Restored and remastered video and audio of the Police's documentary electoral tracks includes 9 tracks previously unavailable on LP. Nice. So cool. This Around the World follows the Police on their first world tour in 1979 and 1980 as they visit 6 continents, building their fan base show by show, country by country, song by song. In between the performances, the film offers a jovial glimpse of the band as they travel around the world and their visits to local sites. Around the World is presented with restored picture, remastered audio, and includes complete performances of 4 songs as bonus features. Nice. Recorded during the Police's first world tour, this LP showcases Sting, Andy Summers, and Stuart Copeland playing with a frenzy and passion that will make them the biggest band in the world, spotlighting tracks from their first 2 albums. These performances were recorded in Japan, Hong Kong, and England. Yeah, so that's the back side. It's not really, can't really guess. I'm guessing the DVD's inside here, like in its own separate sleeve or something. But this is the vinyl, which is a live compilation. Yeah, performances from Kyoto, Hammersmith, Hong Kong. Oh, there's only one from Hammersmith, England. Oh, looks so nice. Yeah, so I was saying that I'm a big fan of the Police. This is the 3rd vinyl that I got from them. The other 2 are, I also have Regatta de Blanc, and the album on which my username is based on, Synchronicity. I only have these 2 and not the other 3. Not that I don't like them, it's just that I would have them, but these 2 in particular are my favorites. I'm leaning more with Regatta de Blanc, and then close after Synchronicity. So yeah, that makes number 3. As I said, I also have other things that I like to show. I have a hoodie with the same design as a shirt, Regatta de Blanc shirt. It's just white on a black hoodie. I also have a Synchronicity shirt that I wore once, but yeah, after the first wash, it's like just shrunk. Let's see here. And I also got Andy Summers, Sting, and obviously Stuart Copeland. The 3 Funko Pops. See right there. also have this Ghost in the Machine, like banner thing. And I also have the police signatures by all three. Yeah. Antic, Stewart, Sting, Andy. My most prized item of the police that I've ever had. Yeah, I'd like to see the DVD one day. It's a good thing I still have my DVD player. Check that out whenever I get the chance. I also have the documentary Can't Stand Losing You, or what was it called? Can't Stand Losing the Police or something. But the one that's based on Andy Summers' One Train Later. So yeah, that was a quick-ish unboxing of the Police Around the World Restored and Expanded vinyl and DVD. If you like this video, make sure to like, leave a comment. If you like the Police, what's your favorite song, favorite memory, or if you got to see them live. I never got to see them live. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Adios.